Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your dome light or the rear dome light on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. So the dome light comes on when you have the door open, or you can have it all the way over here to be constantly on or off, right? So I'm going to go over the procedure of how you would go to replace that. So you're going to see two indents on the front here. On the side where you've got the switch, where you can put in a small screwdriver and be able to pop the cover off. And once you remove that cover, then we have the light bulb that's right here. Now this light bulb, if you push the tab over, then you'll get a new light bulb. And this the new light bulb is a 3175. So you'll just take your new light bulb, see the light bulb here, we're going to put this end into the hole on this side and then press it up to clamp it into place. Make sure that it works before I put the cover back on. So then take your cover back, and you've got the two tabs on the back that you're going to want to line up, and then the front, just snap it into place. And so that's how you replace your dome light on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.